In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a MoneyGram agent. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website. Depending on your region, it may look slightly different, but of course to select your country, you want to go to the top right, click on here, and you can just select your location and your language as well, and then you want to confirm your changes and you're good to go. Then you want to go to services up top, and then from here you may have a bunch of things or just a few of them, but if under business there's this button which says become an agent, you can go ahead and apply to actually become a MoneyGram agent. So you want to click on here where it says become an agent, unlock revenue growth for your business. Click on that. It's going to open up a separate tab here in your browser, and as you can see here, you can go ahead and become an agent. So if you are interested, you can fill out this form below to actually learn more, and they will contact you directly, okay? So here, as you can see also, you have to note that your business must currently be open to the public to be even considered, okay? So it's not a necessity. They're going to basically contact you, and you'll be able to learn more, and then you'll be able to basically talk with them. And of course, if everything goes well, you'll be able to become an agent. So here you simply have to fill out this kind of form here. So you have to type in your first name, last name, your company name, and then you have things like your business street, your country, city, your postal code, your phone, email, a bunch of things. You have to also tell them a bunch about your business over here, what type it is, what it does, etc. And then over here, whenever you put all of this in, you will have to confirm you're not a robot. Click on the submit button, and of course you'll submit this form, and then they will contact you directly, as it says over here. They'll reach out and you'll be able to basically talk to them and hopefully be able to become a MoneyGram agent after talking with them, okay? So that's how to do this. That's the form you have to go through. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.